Hi all, it's great to connect with you on this new video about money making series. Are you someone who spends a lot of time on Instagram just scrolling through the reels and posting without any real purpose? Well, instead of just scrolling and using it for entertainment, did you know you can actually earn money from Instagram? Whether you are already aware of this or not, I'm here to share some tips and tricks on how you can easily start making money from Instagram. You don't even need to show your face if you're not comfortable with it because there are plenty of faceless Instagram accounts out there making lakhs of monies. So, why wait? Watch this video till the end, learn these tips and start utilizing them into your money making series from Instagram. Let's dive into the video and explore how you can make money from Instagram.
Did you know there are two types of persons earning from Instagram? One is influencer like content creators and other is business person. To earn money from Instagram, you need to do several steps and you have to follow certain rules and regulations. For this, step 1. Create a standout faceless profile. You can use your face in the profile or else you can give the faceless profile also if you need. For this, choose a clear profile picture. So let's create one profile picture now. There are many AI tools like Midjourney, Styler AI, Leonardo AI out in the market to create your free AI avatar for faceless account. For full tutorial, check out the link in the description to know how to create a free AI avatar. Second, choose a eye-catching bio that describes who you are and what you do. For example, if you see here, I have given my goal, like for example 1k to 10k in 60 days, and I have given what I do on Instagram and how I help people in the Instagram. So I have given all these in the points with the icons and also I have provided the link to contact me. So this is the example of bio that actually help people to understand who you really are in the Instagram. Third, use a consistent aesthetic for your feed to attract followers and create a cohesive brand. Step 2. Build your audience. For this, engage with your followers by responding to comments and DMs. Use hashtag strategically to reach a wider audience and increase your visibility. Collaborate with other influencers to cross promote each other content and grow your following. Step 3. Create valuable content. Post consistently to keep your audience engaged and attract new followers. Use high quality images and videos to showcase your products or service. Share behind the scene content to give your followers a glimpse into your life. Step 4. Analyze your performance. Use Instagram Insights to track your progress and identify what type of content perform best. Also, adjust your strategy based on your audience performance and behavior. Stay up to date on the latest trend and algorithm changes to stay ahead of the game. Once all these steps are completed, you can monetize your profile and start earning money from Instagram. Let's get into the main topic of today's video. What are the ways to earn money from Instagram? First, partner up and get sponsored. Basically, you become a mini celebrity for brands you actually dig. You create cool posts, stories, or reels showing off the stuffs and they pay you for the exposure. For example, if you are a fashionist with a killer wardrobe, you could partner with the clothing stores. You did post a pic rocking their latest outfit and might even snag a sweet discount code for your followers. How much cash you actually can make using this? This depends upon how many followers you have and how engaged you are. For example, micro influencers think 10k to 50k followers can make up to $50 to $200 per post, while big influencers can rake in thousands also. Shoppable feeds sell directly on Instagram. Forgot the hassle of website. Instagram let you set up Instagram shops right within the app. This is basically your mini online store where people can browse, discover, and buy your amazing products. For example, let's say you have the Handcraft Epic Friendship Bracelet shop. Show them some of the stunning photos and videos. Tag each product so people can click and buy instantly. And for earning potential, this totally depends on your product price and how you market it. But the cool thing is there are no extra transaction fee with Instagram shopping, so you can keep your more business. Third, be an affiliate all star. Earn from recommendations. Here's the deal. You promote others' business product through special links, and if someone buys something using your link, you get a commission like a finder's fee. For example, you are a fitness fantastic and you love a particular protein product. You could recommend it in a post about your workout routine and include your special affiliate link. Every time someone buys through your link, you get a cut. And how much cash you can earn through is a commission rates vary depends on the brands and products, but it can ranges from few percentage to a whopping 20 percentage per sale. Not bad, right? 4. Level up your skills and offer paid service. Got some math skill in photography, social media management, or maybe you are a guitar guru. Turn your expertise into the cash by offering consultation or service directly through Instagram. For example, you are a social media whiz. Share your knowledge through tips and tricks in your posts and stories, then include a link in your bio where people can contact you for the paid social media consulting. How much money you can make using this? This is depends upon what you offer and how you price it. The key is to showcase your value and convince people your skill or worth for paying for it. 5. Unleash your creativity, sell digital downloads. Who needs physical products now? Instagram lets you sell downloadable goodies like ebooks, design templates, Lightroom presets, or even online courses. For example, you are a graphic designer pro. You create and sell pack of social media templates for fellow Insta lovers. How much money you can make using this? This depends on what you create and how much you charges. But remember, the key is to offer something unique and valuable that your audience actually wants. Sixth, live shopping from stream to sold out. Instagram Live is more than just catching up with friends. You can turn it into a live shopping experience. Showcase your products, answer questions in real time, and even offer exclusive discount to viewers. For example, you are a clothing store owner can host live sessions where they model new arrivals and answer sizing questions from viewers. And how much cash you can earn from this is based on a live commerce is all about impulse buys. The potential is big, especially when combined with Instagram shopping tags that takes viewers straight to the product page. 7. Get supported with badges. If you got over 10,000 followers and a business or a creator account, you can able to enable the badges during your live stream. Viewers can buy badges to show their appreciation and a portion of that goes to you. For example, during a question and answer session, viewers can buy badges to get their question answered first. And badges comes in different prices and you can only get a small cut, but hey, every bit counts, right? So the key is to stay authentic engage with your audience, and consistently create a valuable content. The more you put in, the more you get out of it. 8. Paid subscriptions. Offer an exclusive content to the subscribers for a monthly fee. This could include the behind the scene content, tutorials, or early access to the product. Let me give you the extra monetization guide for content ideas. For visual posts, you can optimize your feed aesthetic for engagement. Like tips you can creating a visual Instagram feeds. You can use hashtags and captions strategically, and you can partnering with brands for sponsored content. This will guide on how to attract and work with brands for sponsored posts. Selling your photos or graphics in the post. Strategies for videos like Reels and IGTV. You can create a viral content with Reels that will engaging shorts videos that goes viral. You can engaging with trends and challenges to increase viewership and potential earnings. Strategy for stories and highlights. Swipe up link to drive sales. Using stories to promote products or services with direct link to purchase. Exclusive behind the scene content. Offering premium content in the story for engaged followers. You can also sponsor stories. How to collaborate with brands to create a sponsored content in stories. Tailoring strategy to general and niche audience. For this, you have to identify your niche. Step to define your target audience and niche. Content creation for niche markets. Developing content that resonate with specific demography or interest groups. Engaging with the niche community. Building a royal community by engaging with niche specific contents and hashtag. Advanced monetization tactics. Instagram analytics for maximize earnings. Give you the advanced monetization tactics and tips. Utilize Instagram insights to fine tune your monetization approaches. And also you can leverage other platforms to grow your Instagram audience and increase earning potentials. You can also converting followers into email subscribers for further monetization opportunity. And finally, additional tips on how you can grow your Instagram. First, content is the king. Focus on creating high quality content that resonate your target audience. Experiment with different formats like photos, videos includes reels and stories. Keep your content fresh and engaging and try to tell a story with your post. Second, hashtag is a hero. Hashtags are a powerful tool for discovering on Instagram. Use a mix of popular and niche hashtag relevant to your content. Research hashtag from your competitors which they are using and target those with good engagement rate. Third, engage and interact. Don't just broadcast, have a conversation. Respond to comments, answer questions in stories, and participate in discussions. Run contests or giveaway to boost engagement. Show your audience you care and appreciate their interactions. Fourth, collaborate and connect. Partner with other account in your niche for shoutouts or co-create content. This can exposure you to new audience and increase your reach. Look for influencers who align with your brand for potential collaboration. Use these tips and tricks in your Instagram to earn more monies and all the best for your growth in advance. Thanks for watching. I hope you all love this video and this information is more useful for you. See you all in the next video.